morning to you all. Today I am going to teach you multiplication of chapter 5 and the topic is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, and this is video number 5. Now start students. Chapter 5 multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So students, multiplication of 3-digit numbers follow the same rules as the multiplication of 2-digit and 1-digit number. So start students, multiplication without regrouping. So see how we will do this. So students, how to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number without regrouping we have to do now. So first of all, we will write these numbers in the column. So first of all, make a column 100, tens, ones. Now arrange these numbers. 231 by 2. Start students from the ones place. Yes, here. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 is equals to 2 1. So here we will write 2 under ones column. And now come to the next tens. So 3 tens into 2. So 3 tens into 2 is equals to, yes, very good, 6 tens. So here we will write 6 under tens column. And next 200 into 2. So 200 into 2 is equals to, very good, 4. So 400. Here under the 100 column we will write 4. So students, 231 into 2 is equals to 462. Now one more example I am going to give you. Okay, now start students. Again what you have to do? Again you have to arrange these numbers in the column. So arrange these numbers, write 100, tens, ones. So multiply 213 by 3. So first of all we will write 213 into 3. The same process we have to do here also. Yes, 3 ones into 3. So 3 ones into 3, yes, 3 threes are 9. So we will write 9 under ones column. Again come to the next 110 into 3. So 110 into 3, yes, 1 threes are 3. So 1 into 3 means 3 tens. So we will write 3 under tens column. Now come to the next. Yes, 200 into 3. So 2 threes are 200 into 3. 2 threes are 6. So we will write here 6 under 100 column. So 639. 213 into 3 is equals to 639. Here students write 213 into 3 is equals to 639. Now start students, multiplication with regrouping. See, one example I have given you. Multiply 145 by 6. So again we will write this in the column. So make a column first. So 145 by 6. So write 145 into 6. So here students, we are going to multiply with regrouping. So see, now come to the ones place. Yes, 5 ones into 6. So 5 ones into 6. Yes, 30 ones. So 30 ones. So regroup 30 as 3 tens and 0 ones. So 0 we will write under ones column and 3 we will write in the tens place as a carry over. Now come to the next. 4 tens into 6. So 4 tens into 6. Yes, 24. So 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. So 27. So how we will write 27? Yes, 27 means 7 tens to 100. So 7 we will write under tens column and 2 we will write here at the 100 place. Now students, what we will do? Yes, now we will multiply 100 into 6. So 100 into 6, 100 into 6 is, yes, 600. So 600 plus 2, 800. So 8 we will write under 100 column. So students, 145 into 6 is equals to 870. Here write like this, 145 into 6 is equals to 870. Now students, one more example I have given you to do. Yes, multiply 135 by 400. Again the same process you have to do. Make a column like this. Yes. Write these numbers. Yes, 135. Sorry. 135 into 4. Again students, yes. 5 ones into 4. So 5 ones into 4. 5 fours are 20. 20. So 0 ones and 2 tens. So 0 we will write under ones column and 2 we will write in the tens place as a carry over. Okay, now come to the next. 3 tens into 4, 12 tens. So 12 tens plus 2, 14 tens. So 14 tens means, yes, 4 tens and 100. So 4 we will write under, yes, tens column and 1 we will write in the place of 100 as a carry over. So 100 into 4. So 100 into 4, 4. So 400. 400 plus 1 plus 100, yes, 500. So we will write 5 under 100 column. So students, 135 by 4 is equals to 540. 135 into 4 is equals to 540. Now students, some questions I am giving you from your maths course book from checkpoint 8. Now students, start multiply the following numbers. So here I have given you 124 into 3. So start students from the ones column. Yes, ones place. So 4 ones into 3. So 4 ones into 3. Yes, 12 ones. So what we will do here, students? Yes, 2 we will write under ones column and 1 we will write in tens place as a carryover. Now come to the tens place. Yes, 2 tens into 3. So 2 tens into 3. Yes, 6 tens and 1 7 tens. So 7 tens. So here we will write 7 under, yes, tens column. Now come to the next. 100 into 3. So 100 into 3. Yes, 3. So 300. So here under 100 column we will write 3. So students, 124 into 3 is equals to 372. Now come to the next. 142 by 5. So students, again we will do the same. 2 ones into 5. So 2 ones into 5. 10 ones. So what we will do? Yes, 0 we will write under ones column and 1 we will write in the place of tens, okay, as a carryover. Now 4 tens into 5. So 4 tens into 5, 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 1 we will write under tens column and 2 we will write here in the 100 place. Now students, 100 into 5. Yes, 100 into 5 is equals to 500. 500 plus 200, 700. So 7 we will write under 100 column. So students, 142 into 5 is equals to 710. Now come to the next. Yes, 1 1 into 2. So 1 1 into 2. Yes, 2 ones. So 2 we will write under ones column. And here 3 tens into 2. So 3 tens into 2. 3 twos are 6. So 6 tens. So 6 we will write under tens column. Now 200 into 2. So 200 into 2. Yes. 2 twos are 4. So 400. So 4 we will write under 100 column. Okay students. 231 into 2 is equals to 462. Now here 2 ones into 6. So 2 ones into 6. Yes, 12 ones. So what we will do? 2 we will write under ones column and 1 we will write in the place of, yes, tens as a carryover and 5 tens into 6. So 5 tens into 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So what we will do? 1 we will write under tens column and 3 we will write as a carryover in the 100 place. So students, 100 into 6. Yes, 100 into 6 is equals to 600. 600 plus 300. Yes, 900. So what we will do? We will write 9 under 100 column. So students, 152 by 6 is equals to 912. Now come to the next. Yes, 5 ones into 3. So 5 into 3, 5 ones into 3, 15 ones. So what we will do? Yes, we will write 5 under ones column and 1 we will write in the place of tens as a carryover. Now 7 tens into 3. So 7 tens into 3. Yes, 21 tens. 21 tens plus 1, 22 tens. So here under the tens column we will write 2 and we will write in place of, yes, in the place of 100 as a carryover. So 100 into 3, 300. 300 plus 200, yes, 500. So we will write 5 under 100 column. Now come to the last, students. Okay, first of all, see, 175 into 3 is equals to 525. Now come to the last. Yes, 149 by 5. So what we will do? The same process. Yes, 9 months is equals 9 months into 5. Yes, 45. So what we will do? Yes, we will write 5 under 1's column and 4 we will write as a carryover in 10's place. So students, 4 tens into 5. Yes, 20. 20 plus 4. Yes, very good. 20 plus 4, 24. So here we will write 4 under 10's column and 2 we will write as a carry over in the 100 place. Okay. So student, 100 into 5. So 100 into 5, 500. 500 plus 200, 700. So 7 we will write under 100 column. So students, 149 into 5 is equals to 745. So students, today I have taught you multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now note down your homework. So students, homework worksheet 5.4, question number B, page number 8. Worksheet 5.5, question number 8, page number 9. So students, you have to do the homework in your application book B.